Welcome to How to Play Fe Fi Fo Fum. To play, you will need a 52 card deck and 3 or more players. The cards are dealt out one card at a time until all the cards are dealt. It is okay if some players get one more card than others. The object of the game is to be the first player to get rid of all their cards. Cards are played into the middle in sequence. Any card can start a sequence, and when laid, Fe is announced. The card that is one rank higher and the same suit is played next. When laid, Fi is announced. This continues with the next card in sequence being played with the announcement Fo. The next card in sequence is played with the announcement of Fum. And finally, the next card in the sequence is played with the announcement of Giant's Bum. This completes a sequence, and the player of the last card starts a new sequence with any card. The card sequence goes from ace to king in each suit. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player left of the dealer starts the game with any card. Diana plays the 4 of diamonds and announces Fe. The player with the next card in sequence plays next. Wade plays the 5 of diamonds and announces Fi. Diana plays the 6 of diamonds next and announces Fo. Peter plays the 7 of diamonds next and announces Fum. Diana plays the 8 of diamonds next and announces Giant's Bum. Diana finished the first sequence and gets to start the next sequence with any card. Diana plays the ace of diamonds and announces Fe. Peter plays the 2 of diamonds and announces Fi. Play continues with players playing to sequences. If a sequence gets to a king, the sequence stops no matter what part of Fe Fi Fo Fum is announced. The player of the king will start a new sequence with any card. If a sequence gets stuck because the next card in the sequence has already been played, the sequence ends and the player of the last card gets to start a new sequence with any card. The first player to play all the cards from their hand wins the game. Jess wins this game. If you enjoyed learning how to play Fe Fi Fo Fum and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy to follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.